Rua Cinco de Bairro de Areia Preta. I'll just kind of give you a little bit of an idea what it looks like. Not too far from Marginal Hippodromo Road. And I guess we're gonna come over here first. And that's gonna be our target street right there. And this is where we're at. So let's check this out. We're kind of not too far from the border. So stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. So if we wanted to, we could go a little bit further up to that spot. But I'm just gonna kind of give you the context a little bit. But we're definitely on the Macau side, and we're not too far from the border as well. There's a nice little corner restaurant right here. But what we're gonna do is walk down this way. I'm just gonna see what all we got around here. Yeah, each street has its own thing. I think this area, I kind of feel like there's more cars and motors and stuff like that. So you got Fly Kit Car Beauty. You got some nice fried noodle kind of dishes. Oh, that looks kind of interesting too. Chicken pilau with rice. Okay, so we're gonna go down. And then one of the things about this area is you have more of these Areia Preta neighborhoods. So this is called the number 3 street. And you got a lot more cars and automobile stuff as well. Flag Car Beauty. I'm just gonna keep on walking down it. And so we're on one of these Barrio de Areia Pretos. That's kind of cool. That has a little Macau thing. The bus just blocked it. Another one of these. Those little corner restaurants. Yeah, another corner restaurant as well. So there's all of these have street number 2 of the neighborhood of Areia Preta. So this little one is called Deutsch number 2, second street of the neighborhood of Areia Preta. And then we're on our own one called I think we're on 6, I think. We're gonna go up a little bit further up that way, but I'm gonna cross over first. I just kind of like that look right there. It's so interesting. So we're gonna go on over. So it's 6th Street of the neighborhood of Areia Preta. Over there is another one. You got the lion in front of this statue. So this is number 1. So that's number 1 of the streets of the neighborhood of Areia Preta. I kind of want to cross the street real quick. The reason I want to cross it is because there's a nice little neighborhood right in here that I want to show the camera to. Right in here. So you kind of have these places to sit. This is called the new Travessa, the new lane of Areia Preta. So this is actually called a lane, and Nova is new and Travessa is lane. Areia Preta is the same neighborhood again. So kind of a cool little space. Then we're gonna come up to the, I think it's the end of the street, I believe. Yeah, and this is called this is number 5, so this is the 5th street of the neighborhood of Preta. So that's number Cinco, number 5. Then we're gonna come out up to here, and now we're kind of in this giant, tall apartments. I love that Chinese characters right there on the wall, on the. So let me kind of just give you a little look down all the streets. First you got that one, and then you got that one right there as well. And I think that turns into a different street altogether. The name of that street, I can't see it, but I can see it's not the same street. And if you keep going that direction, it goes south. But anyways, this is this little area of Preta. Got a little side of Macau for you. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Toma cuidado la